Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you if you are facing some kind of an issue inside VS Code while saving your files, you get a pop-up message that unable to save your file. That kind of message on the right hand side whenever you try to save your file. Then I also personally saved this faced this issue while working with settings.json file while saving my settings. So I got this message unable to save your user settings file. So what I did that I basically restart my VS Code by actually closing all the active VS Code windows and just restart my VS Code, and then automatically added the properties, and then it automatically worked. So now I just make changes, no error messages come. So the only solution is that if you are still facing that message, that unable to save settings message, whenever you try to save any file in VS Code, just restart your VS Code and restart your computer as well, and then that will solve your issue 99% of the time. So if you're still facing that issue, then obviously you need to uninstall VS Code from your computer and install it once again, and just copy all the settings that you have inside your settings.json file, store it somewhere, and then install a new copy of VS Code and then configure it. That's the solution. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.